Hello students, welcome to my channel Engineers Academy. Kindly subscribe my channel for such more problem solution. Now I am going to solve this problem. In this problem we are given that the box of negligible size is sliding down along a curved path defined by the parabola, right? So we are given this y of x function, and it is said that when it is at point A, and these are the point A coordinates, right? So the speed of the box is 8 meter per second, right? So we can say that the velocity at point A is 8 meter per second, and there is increase in the speed with this rate, right? So we are given dv by dt. So this is the tangential acceleration, which is dv by dt, and this is given as 4 meter per second square. And it is said that determine the magnitude of the acceleration of the box at this instant, right? So at this particular point we have to find the magnitude of the acceleration, right? So as we know that the magnitude of the acceleration will be equal to, since the acceleration in this coordinate system, and we are considering the tangential and normal coordinates, so then the acceleration has two components, right? So the magnitude is equal to at square plus an square under the root 2, right? Since this box will have one tangential component of acceleration, so it will have one acceleration in this direction, and it will have one acceleration towards the center of the curvature, right? So this will be an, right? So as we know, at is given, so an is equal to the velocity at that particular point divided by the radius of the curvature, right? So va square, right? So we need to find the radius of the curvature. So this is the formula to find the radius of the curvature when we are given y of x function, when we are given the path function. So in this formula we are required to have the value of first derivative and value of second derivative at that particular point A, right? So now we can say, we can write that y equals to 0.4x square. So the first derivative will be dy by dx, so this will be 2 times 0.4, so that will be 0.8x. And similarly, if we will take the second derivative, so this will be d square by dx square, and this will be equal to 0.8, right? And we need to find the radius of curvature at this particular point. So at point A, the x coordinate is 2 meters, right? So this is given. So this means that if we want to find dy by dx at that particular point, so we have to put x equals to 2 meters, right? So then dy by dx will be equal to 0.8 into 2, so that will be 1.6. So now we can substitute both of these values in this formula, right? So then this will be rho 1 plus, this is dy by dx whole square, so this is 1.6, so I will write 1.6 square, and this will be to the power 3 divided by 2, and then this is 0.8, right? So this is 0.8 absolute value, right? So we will take it positive always. If this was negative, so then we need to take it positive, since this is the radius of the curvature, it's a distance, so it will always be positive, right? So it's 0.8, so this will give us the radius of the curvature. So this gives us the radius of curvature equals to 4.45 meters. So now we can find the normal component of the acceleration. So an will be equal to va square. So va is 8. So 8 square divided by 4.45. So an equals to 14.38 meter per second square. So now we can find the acceleration magnitude. So acceleration magnitude will be 4 square, at is given, right, plus 14.38 square, and we will take the square root. So at that particular point A, the acceleration of the box is 14.93 meter per second square.